How to transfer Toncoin from Tonkeeper to Binance. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to transfer Toncoin from Tonkeeper to Binance. Whether you're on iPhone, iOS, or Android, sending your Toncoin holdings from your personal Tonkeeper wallet, the Binance exchange. This gives you more control over your funds and allows you to interact with the Binance cryptocurrency exchange directly. So to transfer Toncoin from Tonkeeper to Binance, first things first, we need to swap our Ton to USDT within the Tonkeeper app. Tap on the Swap button. In the Receive section, you'll see a list of options. Choose USDT as the currency you want to swap to. Enter the amount of Ton you wish to convert to USDT. Once you've entered the amount, tap Swap. Wait for the swap to complete. This might take a few moments. Now let's send this USDT to Binance. Tap the Send button. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's address. We'll be using our Binance USDT address. Open the Binance app on your phone. Head over to the Wallets section. You can usually find it at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're in the Wallet section, go to Deposit. Search for USDT and select it. Here's where it gets important. We need to choose the correct network. Scroll down until you find the Toncoin network and select it. You'll see a QR code and an alphanumeric address. We're going to use the alphanumeric address. Click on the Copy button to copy the address. Go back to Tonkeeper and paste the Binance USDT address into the recipient's address field. Now we need to add a memo. Go back to Binance, copy the USDT memo, and paste it into the comment field in Tonkeeper. Double-check that both the address and memo are correct. Once you're confident everything is correct, tap Continue. Confirm the amount you want to send and tap Continue again. Review the details one last time, then tap Confirm and Send. And this is how to transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. Remember, double-check the address before sending to avoid any issues. If you have any questions about Tonkeeper, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.